This is a walk-around and operation video for a 2016 Kubota U55 mini excavator. It is $64,900 plus tax. It has an enclosed cab with heat and AC and a 12,000-pound operating weight. It has a 2-speed, 49-horsepower diesel engine with 3,900 hours. It digs 11 feet 8 inches deep. It includes a tooth bucket and hydraulic thumb. The rubber tracks are at 90%. This machine fires right up and operates as it should. It is located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. We can ship anywhere inexpensively. Please contact us for more information. www.edgeequipmentsales.com.